Wherever you're watching us from, this is Everything is Everything with Nelo and Koko. And today we have an interesting topic at hand, and it has to do with what is happening in the society today. We know a lot has been happening, especially sad events that has taken place. The recent one of the Ogumosho kidnap and the Ifeanyi, and a lot of people that were killed as well. And so today we have a guest. But before bringing in our guest, I want to say, Coco, you're looking beautiful and
Thank
radiant
you,
today.
darling. Nelo, always looking on point.
Oh, thank
Always
you.
looking on point.
So how you
And
doing? It's a rainy day, you
it's a
know.
rainy Friday, but thank God it's still Friday.
Oh, we thank God.
Unfortunately, today's topic is a bit of a sensitive issue. And, we've come to see in our society that kidnapping has become a bit normalized. We've been hearing it right from 2014, and now it's like an everyday thing. Freedom has become so fickle. Today, our guest is a survivor. He went into the den of lions like Daniel, and he came out triumphant. I'm going to allow him introduce himself, and then we'll start our story. Sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You're welcome,
You're welcome.
sir.
Yeah, thank you.
So please, your name and just where you're from, little things about you that our audience need to know.
Well, first of all, I'm really honored to be here today. Thank you for having me here, and thank you for bringing me in for us to make this happen. My name is Uchenna, Mr. Uchenna Ndukwe,
Okay.
and I'm from Abia State, Ohafia precisely. Actually, I'm one of the victims of what we are discussing today, and that is why I'm here to share my experience on what happened.
So what happened to you, sir? Let's just...
Well,
Long story.
it's really a long story. It's a traumatic story, a story that I will never forget in a hurry in my entire life. Actually, this story happened on the 26th day of December 2022.
Boxing Day.
Actually, we left Ibadan. We had to travel to the east. We left Ibadan on the 25th, being Sunday. Then we got to Onitsha at night then. So we were like, we should sleep at Onitsha. Actually, I don't want to go back to the full story because so many things happened on that journey, whereby before we got to Okada, even a trailer want to finish us on the way. Our motor got spoiled, and that was how the experience started. So after repairing the motor and it was late, and we still continued the journey. So on getting to Onitsha, and that incident that happened, one of our tire got damaged. So we now put the spare tire and we continue. On getting to Onitsha after the bridge, the spare tire that we put just got burst. So we were like, what can we do? We don't have any spare tire again, and it was night around 12. So I just said, my friend, don't stop, let's just manage. That was how we were managing until we get to before or the Opiweka bridge. There was a Tisco park beside there, and I was telling him we should enter there, and people are there, we should enter there and relax, maybe and see how we can be able to get help or do whatever. He was just saying that before you know how all these Aboro people that stays at Opiweka, they just came out. When they came out, they were saying, sir, do you need help? Do you need help? How? Come, we can help you. What happened? He said, tire. He said, come. There is a vulcanizer under the bridge there. He can assist you with the tire. He said, let us go there. I said, I'm born and brought up in Aba. How can you go? These people are bad people. Let's enter here. He said, no, that he's looking for help, and I'm telling him this. I said, do what you want to do. And in all these things, him, the wife, 3 children, I, myself, and a church member, we were inside that Sayana motor. So he now drove to that under the bridge. That was how we met the organizer. He said he's late, he has closed, he cannot do anything. And before you know it, all those bad boys started coming close to us. Then the other ones that called us, he said, you people have to find where and live here. Go and park inside that Tisco park. If not,
That's
As
the
these
first
people,
place you
yes,
told
at
him.
the first place, at the first place that I told him. He said, if these people, it is because of us that they have not come, and they are coming small, small. If we are not here now, they will come and rob you people. Just turn. If it's to for us to help you and push the motor, we can push it so that you go and enter that place. That was how he managed and turn. We now enter inside that park, and then he settled them and left. So we have to start making call. We got a help that one of our brother that resides in Onitsha. He now came with his car. So when he came, the tire is not the same size with our motor. So we have to look for a vulcanizer that can change the tire with the rim. So we just have to travel to Enugu, Onitsha.
Sorry, all these things were
Tollgate.
still happening at that time of the hour. We're talking about not 12 p.m., 12 a.m.
12 a.m. in the
12,
middle of the
yes,
night.
12 a.m. So when we got there, we used the spare tire to change us. So after that, we left there and we came back to that park. So we fixed the tire that night. So the guy was like, your in-law said after this I should rent a hotel apartment for you people to sleep. And remember, they normally observe sit at home on Monday morning, and that was on Sunday. The next morning will be
Was a
Monday.
sit at
There will be no movement.
No movement.
So
I remember that.
he said we should go and lodge on Monday. If we look and see that there is no movement as such, that we should stay there. Tuesday morning we continue the journey. And the guy was like, no, that is not going anywhere. That this is 12 a.m. already. How can he go and lodge in a hotel? That we should sleep in that park. Then early in the morning we have to leave so that we'll enter Enugu before maybe the sit at home will start. So that was how we slept at the park then. Then around past 4, we woke up and he said we should start the journey. That was how we started the journey. We drove, and that is because I was the one that was leading him. He doesn't actually know the route very well. So there was a route that I was supposed to follow that will bus to Four Corner. So because the road there was ongoing work project there, the express Enugu Onitsha express road. So I missed that road that we supposed to follow, and we are now applying that express road, even though they are working on it. So he was just like, the road that we supposed to follow, you that knows road very well, we have missed this road now. I was like, my brother, calm down. Let's. I will still find the road. That was how God was really leading us in that journey, till a point that I couldn't find that road again. So we are just applying on that express road, meeting checkpoints, army checkpoints from one checkpoint to another. That was how we are just going that early morning. So before we could know it, we found ourselves